Alright, this is the best AI writing tool for Webflow users in 2026. The tool which I'm using is Arvo, so let me just go back. So first thing first, if you want to get a detailed report which is done and analyzed by AI SEO agent from Arvo, I'm just gonna show you how the report is going to be. So not a lot of activity, but this is the site information from my domain called makemoneyroger.com, and this is all overlooked by AI SEO agent automatically. So if I go to the overview, this is how the dashboard of the Arvo looks like. You can generate an article, you can write an entire article with just a single keyword. And then you can also, if you're running a news blog, then you can search for a query and generate an article just like that. YouTube blog post, you can put a URL, convert it into a blog post. You can also do the auto blogs. So let me go into the blog automation and click on integrations, and here click on integration, and you have something called Webflow. Click on the Webflow and authenticate your token and then choose the website. So once you did that, it will appear just like the domain is operating right here. Go into the campaigns and click on new campaign, and you can start working on a campaign. So once you create a new campaign, this is how it looks like. Go into the configuration, you will see all this interval, how many blog articles you need, and the randomness of the time, and article, how many articles you want to generate each time. Alright, you can also add your own feed keywords, like especially you can connect to external content sources for which you want to get a content from, like Wikipedia or your blog domain or your brand information. So this is how you do SEO branding completely in a one tool software, which is Arvo. The link will be in the description. Like this video, subscribe, catch you on the next one.